The loyal hero. In a bustling town near the mountains, there lived a young girl named Emma. She had a beautiful golden retriever named Buddy, who had been her companion since childhood. The two were inseparable, sharing every adventure together, from playing in the meadows to exploring the nearby woods. Buddy was more than just a pet. He was Emma's protector, her best friend, and her most trusted companion. Emma and Buddy spent countless hours together. They would chase butterflies in the fields, splash in the cool river during summer, and snuggle by the fireplace in winter. Every morning, Buddy would wait by the door, wagging his tail excitedly, ready to follow Emma wherever she went. The townspeople adored Buddy, often giving him treats and calling him the town's most loyal dog. One winter evening, Emma went out to visit her friend in the neighbouring village. Her parents warned her that a snowstorm was approaching, but Emma assured them she would return before it got worse. As she made her way back home, the snow began to fall heavily, covering the familiar paths and making it difficult to see. The wind howled, and the temperature dropped rapidly. Emma tried to hurry, but the deeper the snow became, the harder it was to walk. Before she knew it, she had lost her way. At home, Buddy sensed something was wrong. He paced near the door, whining and scratching to be let out. Emma's parents noticed his distress and tried to calm him, but Buddy refused to settle. He ran to the window, barking at the falling snow, his eyes filled with urgency. Finally, Emma's father opened the door, and Buddy bolted into the storm, his nose to the ground, determined to find her. Buddy followed Emma's faint scent through the snow-covered paths, his powerful nose guiding him through the blizzard. The snow was thick and the wind was relentless, but Buddy pushed forward. His paws sank into the cold ground, yet he never slowed down. He knew Emma needed him. After searching tirelessly, Buddy finally found Emma shivering and weak, sitting beneath a tree. Her clothes were covered in snow and her fingers were numb. She had nearly given up hope, her body trembling from the cold. But when she saw Buddy rushing toward her, tears filled her eyes. The loyal dog licked her face and barked, urging her to move. When she struggled to stand, Buddy pressed against her, giving her warmth and support. He nudged her gently, trying to encourage her to walk. Emma clung to Buddy, drawing strength from his warmth. Each step felt heavier than the last, but Buddy stayed by her side, guiding her forward. His body shielded her from the freezing wind, and his presence gave her the hope she desperately needed. Though exhausted, he remained strong, knowing he had to get Emma home. Meanwhile, Emma's parents had gathered a search party. They lit lanterns and called out her name, their voices barely carrying through the storm. They were worried, but deep down they hoped that Buddy would find her. And then, through the thick snowfall, they saw a familiar shape emerging from the storm, Buddy, leading Emma toward them. They rushed forward, wrapping Emma in warm blankets and thanking Buddy for his bravery. Emma's mother wept as she held her daughter close, while her father knelt beside Buddy, stroking his snowy fur. "You saved her, Buddy," he said, his voice filled with gratitude. "You truly are a hero." Word of Buddy's incredible rescue spread throughout the town. The local newspaper featured his story, and people gathered to celebrate the loyal dog who had risked everything to save his best friend. The mayor even awarded Buddy a special medal, declaring him the town's official guardian of the snow. But to Emma, Buddy wasn't just a hero, he was her guardian, her protector, and the one who had saved her life when she needed him most. That night, as she lay in bed, warm and safe, Buddy curled up beside her, his golden fur soft against her skin. She whispered, "Thank you, Buddy. I love you." From that day on, Buddy was known as the town's bravest dog. People would stop to pet him, calling him the hero who conquered the storm. But for Buddy, none of that mattered. All that mattered was Emma, the girl he had sworn to protect, no matter what. And so, their bond grew even stronger, proving that true love and loyalty know no bounds. Vocabulary words from the story: inseparable meaning, unable to be separated, always together. Example, Emma and Buddy were inseparable, sharing every adventure together. Urgency meaning a strong need for immediate action or attention. Example, Buddy's eyes were filled with urgency as he barked at the falling snow. Relentless, meaning continuing without stopping or becoming weaker, determined. Example, the snow was thick and the wind was relentless, but Buddy pushed forward. Guardian meaning a protector or someone who watches over another. Example, the mayor awarded Buddy a special medal, declaring him the town's official guardian of the snow. Loyalty meaning a strong feeling of support, faithfulness, or devotion. Example, their bond grew even stronger, proving that true love and loyalty know no bounds. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe